What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I really want to attempt to do this makeup look. It is actually low-key kind of baddie. So I've got some whiteout lenses that I got from prettyfabulous.com. They were like they're like $17, I think. I already did my hair. I did my eyebrows already. I tried to make them straight. Usually I have really thin arched eyebrows, but in this look, it looks like they're more straight. So we will try our best, and yeah, let's look spooky. I'll probably start with the eyeliner first. So I've got my one size eyeliner, and these are huge wings, so we're gonna make them thick. Wish me luck. Oh my god, you guys, I forgot to conceal. Just using my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer for this. So starting with that line, we're gonna need it way bigger than that. I mean, this line is thick, it goes up. Got wrinkly eyelids now, I'm getting old, hold on. We're gonna have to flatten it. Okay, and now we're just gonna fill that part in. This is my little flash palette for this part, the black in here. I'm gonna use this brush right here, just something really skinny, and we are gonna pray. It's already trying to go sideways, hold on. How do I get it over my crinkles? That's what I wanna know. This is what it's looking like so far. Now I'm going to make the spider thingies. Here, I keep adding more. Hold on. And this is way more than the photo calls for, like the webs. Just do it. I don't care anymore. Ugh, did I mess it up? Shit. So it's looking a little cute. I think when I have everything put together, it will look decent. What I'm gonna do next is add on my foundation, just so I can start doing my bottom stuff. And I actually got a sample from Sephora. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Foundation in the shade 7. I'm gonna take a little bit of that. And I just always wipe some on the back of my hand. And I'm gonna mix it with my Fenty Soft Matte Foundation. Just gonna pat it all on. I did prep my skin with the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. Next, I'm going to take my Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Fair Neutral and add this right under my eyes. I'm taking my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Light 2.4, and I just kind of pat that over this like little blemish I have right there. And then again on this side. Now I'm going to contour, and for that I'm going to use my NARS Cream Concealer in the shade Laguna 03. I'm using my IT Cosmetics brush. It's the Heavenly Skin Hugging Foundation brush. I'm just going to start right here Got a good base. I'm gonna finish up with the eye makeup now. So in the photo, there's like red right down here that I'm gonna add now. Probably just use my cream in this because I don't want fallout. Kind of like fans down a little bit where that next spider web is gonna be. So we did the bottom part, the top part, added the red. I'm gonna finish contouring my face, but I can see a little bit of white in the inner corner right there. So I'm gonna add some with my Milk Jumbo Liner. Just gonna really pack it on. Just like within this corner here. Got these ones that I got off Amazon. I think these look pretty. These lashes kind of want to do their own thing, so. Now what I want to add on next is the blush. I'm going to contour my nose, Sephora collection. It's their concealer brush. My NARS Creamy Concealer. The nose in this picture is very red, so we will add some red to it. I like really harsh contours. So next what I'm going to do is get my Milk Concealer. Just kind of make it more matched. James Charles palette that I've had for 2 trillion years. But there's a red shade in there that I like to use as my blush. A lot of the blush is like concentrated in this area. There is black lipstick now. It is glossy, so we're gonna add gloss over it. Let's do lip injection just to see if it plumps my lips up. Ooh, the moment I put on the lip injection extreme, like I can feel the like little tingling burning sensation. I do feel like my lips are like though like they just forcibly want to like pucker up, I guess, when you have that stuff on them. Gritting white, so they're like a mesh. I don't even know if it's gonna focus. They are a mesh white. You can only see what's in front of you, and if the lights are on, you can't see anything at all. So you're like almost completely blind with these on. But it's all for the aesthetic. I will be blind just to complete this look. I've got one in already. I cannot see, just barely. So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun making this. I just love Halloween. I love the spooky feeling. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram. I usually post daily updates on there.